Welcome to episode 1 of Science is Really Freaking Cool. On today's episode, classifying matter, pure substances versus mixtures. So what even is a pure substance? A pure substance is made up of only one kind of matter, and they have a very unique set of properties, unlike any other type of matter. Not weird, unique. Just like there are two types of pure substances. The first type is an element. An element is something that cannot be broken down into a simpler substance. For example, gold, iron, and oxygen. The second type of pure substances is a compound. A compound is created when two or more elements combine chemically in fixed proportions. An example of a compound is salt. Now those were pure substances, but what's a mixture? A mixture is a combination of pure substances that have not chemically combined to form a compound. There's 4 of these. Mixture type number 1 is called a mechanical mixture. A mechanical mixture is a mixture in which you can see all the different components/substances. For example, cereal. You take some cereal, you add some milk, and even when you stir it all together, you can still see all the different parts. Mixture type number 2 is called a solution. A solution is when one substance, A, is dissolved into another substance, B. For example, coffee and cream. You take some coffee, take some powdered cream, put it in there, give it a quick mix. Remember to use protection. And by the end of your mix, all you have is some cream coffee. Mixture type number 3 is called a suspension. A suspension is a cloudy mixture in which tiny particles of one substance are held within another. For example, oil and water. You have water, you got some oil, pour it in there, and you can immediately see that the oil starts separating itself from the water. In suspension, it's important to note that the particles held within the other substance can be separated out again. As you can see here, the oil and water have separated, and with a little time and patience, you could separate the oil from the water again. The final mixture type is called a colloid. A colloid is a cloudy mixture in which the particles are so tiny and small that they cannot be easily separated again. An example of a colloid is mayo or this paper. That is pure substances versus mixtures. See you next time.